Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand coin. In today's video, I want to talk about this big falling wedge pattern, and we will also take a look at this inverse head and shoulder pattern on the 4-hourly time frame. And I also want to recall this big harmonic bullish reversal setup as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this big harmonic reversal shark move that Algorand has formed on the weekly time frame. Before this, Algorand formed this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move, and this was also formed on the weekly time frame. And you can see at that time it was moving at 91 cents. In the month of July, I shared this pattern for my members at the Patreon. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well, even up to $1 at $2.99, approximately to $3, and moved back. Now, during this move to the downside, it has formed another harmonic bullish reversal shark move, and this is the pattern that I have shared. And let me to show you this pattern as well. And by the way, the final leg goes to down to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level, but I have defined my buying zone from 88 cents to 67 cents, because here we have very strong support zone. Now the sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence are from $1.68 and goes to $2.53. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line is still moving inside the buying zone. It is gearing up, and if we watch on the daily time frame, then here price line is reached again at the resistance of a very big falling wedge pattern. Price line was entered here in this wedge in the month of November 2021. So far we are not able to break it out. Right now we are again reached the resistance, but there is some problem, because this time again a slight bearish divergence appeared on the chart, a hidden bearish divergence, because here we can see price line form this high, and the next high it is lower than previous high. Now if we take a look at the RSI, then here RSI, by the way, you can watch the values here. The value of RSI was 44.66, and right now it has formed another higher than previous high, and the value is 45.50. Therefore there is a hidden bearish divergence, and the price line needs to form another higher than previous high, follow the RSI signal, and then this bearish divergence or hidden bearish divergence will be removed. Now if we break out the resistance, because in order to form another higher high, we need to break out the resistance of this wedge. After breaking out the resistance of the wedge, our final target can be here, approximately at $2 here at the top of the wedge, very close to $3. But before that, we also need to break out this resistance of an inverse head and shoulder pattern that has been formed on the 4-hourly time frame chart. Right now you can see that the price line has reached the resistance of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Now for example, if we break out this resistance of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, then after this breakout we can expect a move up to here. That will be approximately here at $1.10. And for example, let me to copy this trend line from here and paste it here. Then we can see, for example, if we will break out the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, then we can also break out this very big resistance of this falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore, the next few hours are really very important. We need to keep an eye on this breakout from this neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. Then we can expect a breakout from this falling wedge pattern as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.